In this video, I will show you how to save a search on Paragon. First, you need to conduct your search. After you put in your criteria, make sure you select Save Search. Next, click on Save Search As. If you are saving it for yourself, click on Yourself. Name your search. This is usually named after the criteria. For example, San Ramon 3-bed 2-bath. Then click on Save. Success. To find your saved search, click on Search, Saved Property Searches, and look for the search name. I named mine San Ramon 3-bed 2-bath. When I click on it, I am brought back to the saved search. And now you know how to save your search on Paragon. If you have any questions, please call Bay East Tech Support at 925-730-7100. Thank you.